Senior .NET devs, what if client number 60 took the same amount of effort as client number 4? Early in my career, I built a system to replace a vendor's piece of software for 60 clients. The same core functionality, different business rules for each. And client number 1, well, it took forever. I architected everything from scratch: authentication, authorization, data access, reporting, catalog management, order management, fulfillment integration, the works. Client number 2 basically took the same amount of time. I was still figuring out what was actually reusable, what should be the same. But the client number 3, it took half the time because now I saw the pattern. And then clients 4 through 60, all of them combined took the same amount of time as client number 3. And here's what happened. The commodity code, the 80% that was identical across all 60 clients, it ended up getting built once. And by the time I got to the third client, it was never touched again. It was the other 20% that was specific. It's specific business logic, specific UI. And that's the mental shift. You're not building 60 different applications. You're building one platform with 60 configurations. So here's one question. On your current project, what's the code that you'll copy and paste into the next one anyway? That's your commodity. Extract it. Solve it one time, and then you don't have to think about it again. Here's you already know this reminder for Senior.NET devs. Clients number 4 through 60 shouldn't take the same amount of time as the time it took you to develop for client number 1. That's the whole point. I'm Chad Carter, helping .NET teams ship production apps faster. You already know what you're doing, so now go and ship it. And hey, if this helped, you know the drill. Plus, you may want to go ahead and share this with a dev that you like. And I'll see you in the next video.